Now in this tutorial we are going to find out skirting quantity. Now before finding the skirting quantity, it is very important to understand what is skirting first. So let's see what is skirting. Now
the skirting. This is the skirting. You can see over here, these are the strips, different strips over here, this one up to this position, the first strip.
And in bill of quantity for skirting we will find the value in meter. So this is how we can find out, and hope you understand what is skirting and how we can find out the quantity. Let's move into the drawing and find out the skirting quantity. Now I'm here in architectural plan and we will start right from this position. The area where we have installed the marble, we need to do the skirting work over there. Remember, in toilets we have tiles, so there is no need to do the skirting because at the floor we have tiles, in the walls we have tiles. But here in open area we have installed the marble in the floor. We need to do the skirting work all along the wall, so we need to find out the skirting over here. The next bit we need to find out in the rooms, TV lounge, and here in the store, kitchen, everything where we have just add the marble or install the marble. So we will start right from where the open area. Let me simply go here in this Excel sheet and I'll go here. I'll rename this one. So remove our copy first, move to end, create copy, press OK. I'll rename this with the skirting, and then next to it here as well, skirting. Next to it, what I'll do, I'll simply delete all of this stuff from here. And remember one thing, we need skirting in meter length. In meter mean we need the total parameter, so there is no need to just add here the quantity in meter square. We need in meter. Okay, I mean we need the total length over here. So next to it, number one, skirting for open, I'll go here, skirting works, open area, number as 1. Now let's find out the total length over here. And in skirting definitely we need to do the deductions as well. It is also very important. So PL command, just go with the wall by wall. First of all we will have the skirting over here, then for skirting we will move toward this direction as we have seen earlier, then move toward this direction, and then move toward this direction. You can go with the rectangle command as well. So this is the area where we need to install the skirting as well. And with this command, first of all we will find out the total length for this skirting, and it is total of 9 meter skirting we need over here, but we need to do the deductions as well. So how sorry, it is skirting again. 9 meter of skirting work we need. And in total quantity what we will do, we'll simply go here, it is equal to numbers multiplied by parameter, the length. You can delete this stuff as well, no problem. From here for the skirting work, length, quantity, and then total quantity will be over here, meter length. Now next to it, what we need to do is we need to find out the deductions as well, deductions. And deductions for the skirting work we will have only the doors, because there is no any skirting on the level of window or the ventilator, because skirting is only 120 millimeter to 220 millimeter high. So that's why the door levels where we have the doors, we need to do the deductions for this. So in this we have D4 to deduct, we have 2 doors to deduct. Let me check it. We have this door and this door. And one more thing, we need to deduct only breadth of our door. Only thing is this one. So D4 is total of what? 0.75. 0.75. This is what we need to deduct, and it is equal to numbers multiplied by length. Hit enter. Now next to it we will go for the rooms, and both of these rooms are now same rooms, and we have 2 rooms over here. What about the total parameter? So let me move over here to find out the parameter. PL enter, start right from this position, move toward this direction, and we have here the skirting work. We will have the skirting work on this wall, and at end we will close this one. So select this one with list command. What about the total length? Total length is 14.325 meter, and this is basically the process how we can find out the marble work on stairs. 0.325, and let me drag this quantity over here, and definitely we will have the deductions as well, and deduction we will have d3 over here. Let me check it, -2. I'll simply go here, and we need to know we have deductions over here, and back end we have d4 over here, d4 over here, and we have deduction for d3 and d. So we have 2 d4 and 2 d3, remember. So d4 we have over here, no problem. I'll copy this one and simply I'll paste it over here, and next to it for d3, what is the breadth of our d3? Let me simply go here, and it is total of 0.9 meter. What 0.9 meter? And drag this value up to this position. Sorry, Ctrl+Z. Now we are done up to this position. Now next to it we will have what, number 3, and it is what, TV,